Bass Pro Shop is apologizing after a rifle for sale in their Rogers store took this internet by storm. A customer was the one who actually snapped this photo. It's a 1978 Winchester rifle which commemorates the Cherokee Trail of Tears. The packaging, it displays Native Americans heading west on a wagon train surrounded by soldiers with guns. More than 4,000 Cherokee died during the more than a 1,000-mile trek, many of them in Arkansas.
When I see commercial objectifications, again, of that pain, it doesn't sit well with me. It doesn't sit right.
Bass Pro Shop quickly took down the rifle, noting it as a trade-in that it had acquired and not part of its regular stock. For 50 years, Winchester annually commemorated historic people and events with their rifle.